Uh-oh. बच गया. Hi guys! I hope you guys are doing well. So welcome to yet another YouTube video. Yes, I'm filming it on same day. So this was one of the most requested videos on my Instagram. So thought of doing it on YouTube because we can make a super lengthy, super chattable video, and you guys, maybe you guys love it. Do let me know. So today I'll be sharing like a quick routine for teenagers. This was one of the most requested videos and I wanted to do it personally because you know teenagers या कोई भी इतने सारे influencers को देख के, इतने सारे products को देख के, इतने सारे उनके skin care routines को देख के confuse हो जाते हैं. So I will be telling you steps, that what steps you should include in your teenage years. कोई mandatory नहीं है कि आपको यही products खरीदने हैं. ये मेरी बस recommendation है because I've used it, I've loved it. तो मैं recommend कर रही हूँ. If you have something that you have in mind that work for you, go for it. There is no कोई compulsion कि यही खरीदो. I'm just telling you the routine. The products will be all yours. I'm wearing something really minimal. Like इतना makeup तो शायद I don't know teenagers wear करते हैं नहीं, but this is what a minimal makeup for me is, like just a kohl and a mascara and a base. Okay, so I will remove my makeup. So the first thing, I know there are a lot of makeup removers available in the market. Cleansing oils, melting creams, melting butters, अलग अलग तरह के मेकअप रिमूवर्स अवेलेबल हैं. तो आपको किसके लिए जाना चाहिए? द क्वेश्चन इज दैट. So my answer to that question is you should go for a micellar water. Micellar water सबसे अच्छा होता है for your skin, like it cleanse out your skin so well, and वो सबसे gentle होता है skin पे. Like कोई और भी चीज जेंटल होती है, मैं वो चीज नहीं बोल रही, बट एज अ टीनेजर स्किन गो फॉर अ माइसेलर वाटर. द करंटली आई एम यूजिंग द निविया माइसेलर वाटर. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. यू कैन डेफिनेटली सी दैट आई हैव लव्ड इट एंड आई एम ऑलमोस्ट ओवर. एंड दूसरा माइसेलर वाटर आई वुड रिकमेंड इज गार्नियर माइसेलर वाटर, पिंक वन. आई विल insert the picture over here. I don't like the yellow, the waterproof one, so I don't recommend anyone. If it works for you, great. So we'll start removing my makeup. The first thing we have to do is shake this a little, and we'll grab our cotton pads and we'll soak my cotton pad in this. And first I'll start removing my base, my brows, my base. First of all, remove your base really nicely. Take the same cotton pad on my lips as well, on your nose. I don't know why my nose has been behaving so weird. It's sensitive. It's really weird. So just take down to your neck, and इसकी another side भी use कर सकते हो. जितने कम cotton pad use करोगे उतना अच्छा है. So what you have to do, keep it on your eye. Massage it very gently. Your eyes are one of the sensitive areas, and इसको gently waterline पे rub करना है ताकि वो सारा काजल remove हो जाए. Again, keep it like this. Massage it. So our makeup is off and my skin looks so clear right now. So the next step I want to include, अगर डबल क्लेंजिंग नहीं करनी है मत करो, बट मैंने बहुत सारा मेकअप लगाया हुआ था. अगर आप बेस यूज नहीं करते हो तो शायद ये स्टेप आप अवॉइड भी कर सकते हो, बट आई वुड अर्ज यू टू डू दिस. बाकी इट्स अप टू यू. यू आर मेकिंग योर रूटीन, यू नो यू कैन फॉलो इट और नॉट. चाहे वो 2 स्टेप का रूटीन हो बट वो फॉलो करो. So I like to take a cleansing milk. The cleansing milk I love, I swear by, are the Good Vibes one. If you're coming from my Instagram, you know I restock them in bulk. I love them. And the next cleansing milk that I really like is the Himalaya one. I like it. Like I generally like to use this when I'm traveling because ये flip top वाला है और ये pump वाला, you cannot travel with this one. So travel तो मैं पता नहीं दुबई लेके गई थी इसको last. So yes, we'll use the Good Vibes one today. It makes sure that it removes all the leftover makeup on your face. So it's great to use cleansing milk, I think. So I just directly do this. So just do this. ओके सो उसके बाद आती है बारी फेस वॉश की, जो शायद हर टीनेजर, हर बंदा यूज करता है फेस वॉश। तो सो आई हैव 3 ऑप्शन फॉर यू गाइज। कीप इट वेरी जेंटल, ज्यादा टर्म्स में मत घुसो, keep it very simple, I would say. और simple से अब आया first face wash है simple refreshing facial wash. I love this face wash. I love this face wash. If you have seen my anti-acne routine, you know that I love this stuff. I freaking love this stuff. You should definitely get your hands on this. The next one I'm currently loving is the Grelmo face wash. It's really suitable for combination to normal to dry skin. It's for all skin types, and if you're someone who likes to wear a lot of makeup, who wears daily makeup थोड़ा बहुत भी, तो go for foaming face washes and it deep cleanse your face really nicely. So I have the Good Vibes Coffee one. You can take any variant, सब कुछ इनके पास variants अलग हैं. So आज हम Good Vibes वाला use करेंगे, taken like a good amount, because मैंने आज makeup लगाया हुआ था तो मेरे को उसको अच्छे से remove भी करना है. Foaming face wash ऐसे foam नहीं होता without water, so yeah. So I'll quickly wash my face and be right back. Okay, so washed up my face. Now we'll move on to another steps. So the next step, you can do exfoliation if you are above 15 or 16. But if you can avoid exfoliation, it's not that, क्योंकि dead skin आ सकती है but इतनी prominent भी नहीं कि that you need to really exfoliate your skin. So try including mask into your skincare routines, like twice a week or once a week, like a clay mask, normal mask, or a sheet mask. It really helps it really helps. So today I will talk about some masks, and for sheet mask I will recommend Lakme, Face Shop, Innisfree. There are a lot of sheet masks that you can try. They are all same, they are all good, and Nykaa. So yes, you can try them. And for a regular mask, I really like Wow mask. You have been seeing me a lot with these masks. Yes, I've been doing like campaigns with them, but their products are something that I really enjoy. And like you can see, the Upton one is like halfway there and the top is huge, you guys, and this retails for 500 or something, 500, and it's like a steal deal. It will last you so long. And the next masks that I like are the Good Vibes one. They're very good. I have a lot of variants. Obviously I cannot pick all of them from my washroom to show you. It's impossible. So yes, today we'll use the gold one. The gold face mask from Wow. I really like Wow as a brand. It's like cruelty free, paraben free. ये sponsored नहीं है guys. So yes, we'll dig into the mask and we'll apply the mask like so. जैसे लगाते हैं यार, बताओ, मास्क का भी ट्यूटोरियल दे रही हूँ मैं आप लोगों को. Skin has been acting up a little weird. Also on their vitamin C one, but vitamin C is something that is included in your skincare after what, 19 or 20 I think. So don't include vitamin C in your regimens. Okay, we have applied the mask and we'll keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and we'll wash this off and we'll be right back. Okay, washed up my face completely and you can see that how good this face is looking. I have like a little bit of breakouts, but that's okay. So the next step is toner. Please keep it to CTM. Don't extend it to serum, eye creams. Don't complicate it for yourself. It will just get complicated and you won't follow it. So for toner, I have this Nelf Aqueous toner. As you can see, I love this. I really like the Good Vibes toner as well, but मैं बहुत सारी Good Vibes की चीज़ें recommend कर चुकी हूँ. That's like one of my most favorite affordable brands in skincare. So but today we'll use this. I really like this. The spray थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं है, but toner is very nice. Let this air dry, or you can just pat it into your skin. Okay, then I want to talk to you about moisturizers. I have 4 moisturizers. The first one is like one of the recent finds, I would say. The Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. It's amazing, you guys. It's amazing. It's super moisturizing. It just makes your skin super glowy. So yeah, you should definitely get this if you are like normal skin type. Then I have this Nivea Soft, the OG. I love this one. This one smells in mint, and they have like couple of more as well. You can definitely try them. Then I have my favorites from Pond's. You guys know my love for these, the Pond's Light Moisturizer and the Pond's this Gel Moisturizer. I love all of these. They are suitable for all skin types, especially this one is for oily type. Like dry को बहुत ज़्यादा quantity लगानी पड़ेगी, but वैसे all moisturizers for all skin types. So I will be taking up this Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. Yes, I've taken a little more than what you need usual in the morning because I'm calling it a day. I think like I won't shoot anything after this, so yeah. And no skincare is complete without a lip balm, so you can take any lip balm of your choice. I love this lip smacker from Lip Smacker Fanta. I love the natural wash one. I love the Vaseline. You can take any you like. So yeah, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I share some really different content over there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.